Can exes be friends? Is it possible? The answer is yes, and at the same time no. So in the course of this video, we shall be looking at when suitable exes can be friends. I shall be giving you 5 for each. I encourage you to sit tight and watch this video from the beginning to the end. When do you think exes can be friends? And when do you think exes shouldn't become friends? Number 1, exes can be friends when the breakup was mutual and respectful. Here, there is no more lingering resentment or betrayal. Both parties actually broke up mutually and they still have respect for one another. When other time can exes be friends? Usually when both of them moved on emotionally. That's the second situation when exes can be friends. Now here, there is no more form of romantic feelings or hidden agenda. At this point in time, both exes can actually be friends. The third one, when they were friends before the what? Relationship. Now we all know that this issue of relationship moved from one phase to another. Some were friends before the relationship actually turned out to be romantic or intimate. So when this particular both parties were friends before the main thing, they can decide to do what? To return back to friendship zone. Now at this point, you can actually relate well with your ex. That is taking it back to the foundation. And the next one, they have set clear boundaries. Now at this point, no more late night text messages, no more late night calls, no more flirting, no form of jealousy. Now at this point in time, they have actually put many things to checkmate their attitude. No more intimacy, no more my sweetheart, no more this, no more that. At this point, clear boundaries have been set. So they are more friends at this point, unlike what they used to be. Okay, now the fifth one, when both ex can actually be friends, is when they are in different and healthy relationship. Now at this point, they have actually gotten new partners and they are aware of it and they are comfortable with it. Now these are the 5 instances when ex can be friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will actually encourage you at this point in time to touch the like button. Remember to pull down your view on why and when exes should be friends. Do not forget to follow this page for more. If you are watching me on Facebook, follow this page. If you are watching me on YouTube, remember to subscribe to my channel until I come your way in the next video, where I shall be discussing when exes shouldn't be friends. See you. Bye for now.